Hello viewers, let's learn how to turn on or turn off Google Discovery page in your mobile to control what content appear on your mobile phone screen and reduce unwanted news or ads. This also save data and keep mobile fit. In case if I swipe my mobile towards left, so I see other pages. And when I swipe the same towards right, so this Google page appears. It has news, videos, etc. So click this button to go to main, and now with your two fingers just squeeze your mobile phone screen. Now you can see the pages are available. It's media page. So turn off this button. Now let's go once again to main screen, and you will see that when I go towards left, so pages are available. But let me go the opposite way. So after main screen, it don't goes to news page. In case if you want to bring it back, once again with your two fingers squeeze the mobile screen and drag it toward right. Now again we are on media page. So simply turn on the button and it will work again. Now let's go to main screen once again and see either it's available. So let me swipe toward left and the page available, and on the other hand if I go and swipe the other side, so all the contents restored. So through this way you can turn on or turn off media page in your mobile. Thanks for watching.